Sam was a young boy who loved adventures. He lived in a small village next to a big, mysterious forest. Every night, he would look at the trees from his window and dream of what might be hidden inside. One day, he said to himself, I will explore that forest and find something amazing. One sunny morning, Sam decided that today was the day. He packed his small backpack with everything he might need: a bottle of water, a flashlight, a few sandwiches, and a map of the area. He waved goodbye to his family and started walking toward the forest. The villagers saw him and asked where he was going. I'm going to explore the forest, Sam replied confidently. Be careful, said the old baker. The forest is full of surprises. Sam entered the forest and was amazed by its beauty. The tall trees reached the sky, and the sunlight created beautiful patterns on the ground. Birds were singing, and butterflies flew around him. Sam walked deeper into the forest, feeling excited and a little nervous. Suddenly, he heard a noise. Rustle, rustle! It sounded like something was moving in the bushes. Sam stopped and looked around. Out jumped a small squirrel holding a nut. Sam laughed. Hello, little squirrel, he said, but the squirrel quickly ran away. After walking for a while, Sam noticed something strange. In the middle of the forest, there was a small cave hidden behind some bushes. The entrance was dark and mysterious. Sam hesitated for a moment but decided to go inside. This could be the start of my big adventure, he thought. Inside the cave, it was cold and quiet. Sam turned on his flashlight and saw that the walls were covered in shiny stones. As he walked further, he noticed something shiny on the ground. It was a treasure chest. Sam couldn't believe his eyes. A real treasure chest in the forest? This is amazing. He opened the chest, and to his surprise, a colorful parrot flew out. Hello, said the parrot. Sam was so surprised that he fell back. You can talk? He asked. Of course I can talk, said the parrot. My name is Polly. I was trapped in that chest for many years. Thank you for setting me free. Sam smiled. You're welcome, Polly. But why were you in the chest? Polly explained. A long time ago, I belonged to an explorer. He found a magical map and hid it in this chest to keep it safe. Now it belongs to you. Sam looked inside the chest and found the map. It was old and had drawings of rivers, mountains, and strange symbols. What kind of map is this? Sam asked. Polly replied, It's a magical map. It will guide you to great treasures and adventures. Sam was excited. Let's follow the map, Polly, he said. The parrot agreed, and they started their journey together. The map led them to a big river. The water was deep, and there was no bridge to cross it. How will we get to the other side? Sam asked. Polly looked around and said, There's an old boat near the riverbank. Let's use it. Sam found the boat, pushed it into the water, and climbed in. Polly sat on his shoulder as they crossed the river. Along the way, they saw fish jumping out of the water and turtles swimming nearby. This is so much fun, Sam said. After crossing the river, the map guided them to a tall mountain that sparkled in the sunlight. Polly called it the Mountain of Gold. Sam was curious. Do you think there's really gold here? Polly nodded and said, Let's climb and find out. It was a hard climb, but Sam didn't give up. When they reached the top, they found another treasure chest hidden among the rocks. Sam opened it and saw gold coins, shiny jewels, and a rolled-up letter. He picked up the letter and read it aloud. To the brave explorer who finds this treasure, you are now part of the Explorers Club. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop dreaming. Sam felt proud and happy. I'm an explorer now, he said. Polly laughed and replied, You've always been an explorer, Sam. With the treasure in hand, Sam and Polly climbed down the mountain and returned to the village. The villagers were amazed when they saw the treasure and heard Sam's story. "You are a real hero, Sam," they said. From that day on, Sam became famous as Sam the Explorer. He continued to follow the magical map, discovering new places and having exciting adventures. And wherever he went, Polly was always by his side. I hope you enjoyed the story and that it helped improve your listening skills. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to support us and help us create more content. See you next time.